The northeastern states of India. There are 8 states in northeast India. 7 of them are called as the Seven Sisters, and the 8th one is known as the brother of these 7 sisters. Let us know about these 8 states. Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Assam. These 7 states are called as the Seven Sisters of India. Sikkim is the 8th state which joined Northeast India. It became a protectorate of India in 1950 and finally an Indian state in 1975. As Sikkim joined a little later, it is known as the brother of these 7 sister states. Geographically, the connectivity of Northeast India with mainland of India is very limited due to its location and bordering countries. It is connected with mainland India through a narrow corridor, the Siliguri corridor, also called as Chicken's Neck. Let us know some interesting facts. The first Indian state with fully organic agriculture is Sikkim. The world's largest river island, Majuli, is in Assam, and also the world's smallest river island, Umanand, is in Assam. This island is also called as Peacock Island due to its peacock-like shape. The world's wettest plain, Masinram and Cherrapunji, both are in Meghalaya. And Asia's cleanest village, Mailong, is in Shillong, Meghalaya. The world's only floating national park, Kebul Lamjao National Park, is in Manipur. And Nagaland is the home to Bhoot Jholakia, the host pepper, which is one of the hottest chilies in the world. I hope this information was interesting and useful. Thank you.